All right, what's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Nelly attacking, man. As y'all can see in the last couple clips, I think I made his car loudest, you know what I'm saying? Today's video, I'm gonna be throwing on a little Hellcat exhaust on my car, man. We want to go louder for a little minute, and I feel like that was the perfect way to do so. So y'all stick around with the next couple clips and to the end of the video so y'all can see how good my car officially sound, man. If you're new to the Nelly Atake gang, Nelly Atake family, go and subscribe, turn on those post notifications so y'all never miss an upload, and don't forget to like, comment, and share the video, man. I will catch y'all boys in the next clip when we at the muffler shop. Bow. Hi YouTube, man. It's your boy Nelly Atake, man. So we did happen to make it to the muffler shop. See what I'm saying? About to do a little startup. But yeah, man, car looking smooth, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, 69 got. But we about to go in there, handle some business, and I'm gonna give y'all a little startup and some flybys later, man. Y'all hear that, boy? Oh my God! Yo! Huh? I didn't get you on. That bitch sound good. Alright, YouTube, it's your boy Nelly Atake, man. About to give y'all some inside of the cabin POVs. This not in no mode. This is strictly what's it called? The default mode. No sport, no track, none of that. And it seems like I gotta get up with y'all in a little bit because we're stopped for whatever reason. So I'll pick the camera back up when there's no traffic. I did just happen to take another street because traffic was a little too crazy, so go cut my cousin with it. See what I'm saying? Fuck it. And this is the default mode. When I get to a stop, I'm gonna put in sport and let y'all hear it. See, it's in sport. Get y'all some pulls in sport, let y'all hear how that bitch sound. Talk to me, gang. That bitch sounds so crazy, boy. YouTube, man, see what I'm saying? Just want to give y'all some more inside the cabin clips because we did have to skedaddle skadoodle due to the cops being called on us in the last clip. Yeah, because we did a couple pulls in the last clip. I just only was able to record 2 because my phone was tweaking. But yeah, we ended up getting the cops called on us, so that's always fun. So yeah, I think I'm gonna give you a couple pulls. Give me a second. I'm telling y'all boys, man, if it ain't traffic, it's law enforcement, bro. So I'm not gonna lie, I might just hop on the highway and get y'all some pulls, man, cause damn. And I will give y'all a pull on this street, but they be police hide in the cut of that Family Dollar, and there's another street further up, but man, fuck it. Hear how aggressive that shit sound compared to before? I'm gonna try to throw in the clip of a before and after so y'all can really hear the difference in the sound. You know what I'm saying? But word, man, this shit crazy as hell, nigga. Hold on. See if I can get y'all another pull. Gotta love Dodge, man. Gotta love Dodge, man. Good God, buddy. Get another pull. Do y'all hear that though, bro? Like, do y'all hear that? Be honest, do y'all hear that? Y'all know y'all hear that shit. You telling me? I'm just scared to drive over here. I ain't never been over here. I don't know why. I ain't never been over on this side. Fuck it, I'm gonna put that bit back in sport. Sport. Going sport, nigga. There we go. Talking about some school zone. Guys know there's probably police over here, nigga. Yep, I wasn't wrong. That nigga's about to come and get me, watch. I'm not surprised if that nigga flash on his lights and come and get me, boy. Oh no, he didn't. Yeah, that's gonna wrap up the video, guys. I love y'all, see what I'm saying? I will catch y'all in the next video. Got a new video dropping soon. If you made it this far into the video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share the video with your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, your auntie, your uncle, and them. What else? Oh, yeah, and also make sure y'all turn on my post notifications so that way y'all get notified anytime I post a new video. I love y'all, man. Down.